Hello, this is David Kid. Welcome to another video. This is another video. Sub GTA 5. Sorry about my mic. However, today I'm going to be showcasing how to steal a jet in story mode with ease. I'll be showing you how to steal a jet in story mode. You see, I'm going to need to, and while I'm in this video, I'm going to have to steal a car. Well, I know some may not like this, but it's the only way I can see getting views.
You're getting raw.
As you see, a taxi mission will pop up soon. I'm not ignoring those. The goal is to get the farts and kiddos, you can see right here. I'm going to pause the video from here and then see. And when I get there, I'll be right back. As you can see, I'm already at Fort St. Kiddo military base. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And please make sure to share the video with anyone that may also find this helpful. Without further ado, let's get into this.
So, leave the area now. You chop. Fuck you.
It's taking some technical difficulties right now. You can see right here. I'm having a hard time balancing this. Still going to balance this long enough. As you see, you might have to expect some heat when doing this. And it's really hard to steal a jet in this mode. I'm going to show you how to do it with ease. As usually, don't fly low if you're going to steal a jet from here. And this is the only place you can successfully steal a jet. Or to avoid the cannon, you have to fly straight up in the sky. See, I'm having to pause a lot because of this. This how to steal a jet in story mode. Probably without getting shot down. You have to go so high up. This is how high we approximately had to go in order to steal a jet in story mode without getting shot down. You evaded 4 stars and the replenished Trevor you go put in a hangar where you can enjoy the temporary benefits of the jet. As you see today, the one thing this time it told me not to do, I'm not going to do that again. I'm not going to ever do that again. But he never said I couldn't do this. I'm still a jet. Next time we views this video, I'm just trying to get views and subscribers and likes. This is how you successfully steal a jet. Flying can fall around the map. Don't go back to Fort St. Kiddo because you get shot down. Since since I have a tank here, I can't put it in my hangar. So I had to keep it here. And that's pretty much it for the video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, please make sure to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. And we'll see you all later. Bye.